Have you ever struggled to align text around an image in Microsoft Word? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Wrap Text feature to make your documents look more professional in just a few clicks. First, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want the image. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and choose your image from your computer or online sources. Once your image is inserted, click on it to select it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top. Look for the Wrap Text button in the Picture Format tab. Click on it. Word provides several wrapping styles. Here's a quick overview of the most common options. Square wraps text neatly around the image in a square pattern. Tight wraps text closely around the image edges, perfect for irregular shapes. Behind text, place the image behind your text. In front of text, place the image over the text. After selecting a wrapping style, you can drag the image to reposition it. The text will automatically adjust based on your chosen wrapping style. If needed, use the Position option in the toolbar to quickly align the image to specific areas like the center or corners of the page. Here are some additional tips to enhance your documents. You can resize the image by clicking and dragging its corners to fit your layout better. For more precision, use the Layout Options button that appears next to your image to access advanced alignment settings. So that's how you use the Wrap Text feature in Microsoft Word. You can now easily align text around images to create cleaner and more professional-looking documents. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Have questions or ideas for future tutorials? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching NedusTech. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.